Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can stop your Android phone lag. So let's get started and let's get into the video. First of all, you have to update your phone to the latest version. You have to check system updates. For that you have to click on settings, then you are going to search update. That's it. And then you are going to click system and updates. And after that you have to click check for updates. Here you can see my phone is updated to the latest version, so I don't need to do it. Another thing you have to do is you have to search over here apps in the settings, and then you are going to click apps. Here are the apps you can force stop if they are taking up too much space, too much RAM or storage, or taking up too much resources. You can disable them over here. You can force stop them, like I'm going to force stop Google Chrome. For example, if I have Cricket Line Crew, I can also force stop it if it is taking up too many resources. That's how I will be able. That's how, if you can see the difference after that, if you don't see any lag fix, then you should factory reset your phone. And if it doesn't fix after the factory reset, you have to talk to your phone's provider company. You have to talk to your phone provider company. Like my phone is from Realme, so I'm going to contact Realme. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you.